Found a lot of space.
Yeah, found a lot of space.
That was such an anticlimactic. Thank you. Way back in August this year, one of my friends sent a bunch of Airbnb listings as potential vacay ideas. But it was pretty out there. I think we were deciding between a treehouse, a log cabin, and a Mongolian yurt. So I didn't think this trip was gonna happen, but I think we all needed a break from Zoom University, and Jerry wanted to drive.
I love to drive.
I'm loving this right now.
Driving is my passion.
So we ended up booking a farmhouse right next to Shenandoah National Park for a 4-day vacation. We are on the way. Oh no, Brian's awake. Hello. Hi, Pauline.
Hi, where are you?
Where are you? Hello. On the way, we stopped at the Hong Kong Pearl in Arlington for dim sum, which I haven't had in a million years. And then we did a lot of grocery shopping at the Asian Mart.
You don't stand here, there's a leak above you.
I hate it here.
Are you okay?
Hi, everyone.
You just knocked my rear view mirror out of position.
I'm sorry. Hi, everyone. So we just got GC and we're continuing on our journey. So where are we going, guys?
Can't remember.
Where are we going?
Mountain Mama.
We're going to West Virginia. That's exactly where we're going. Hi, everyone. So where are we headed to?
Heading to Front Royal, Northern Virginia.
Nice. What is our plan for today, actually?
Sleep.
Yeah, okay. I think that's all we're gonna do today. We've been driving for hours, so bye.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Head west toward Metro and
Trying
left
to get
right.
all of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive.
Are we going up?
Well,
Or like-
have you started the video?
Yeah. Whoa, we're here! That's our Airbnb. I feel like we're taking off.
Oh my god, I was stuck. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat.
So the lighting isn't too great right now, but I'm gonna show you some first looks, and Fish is just making herself at home. This is going to be my room. There's a Christmas tree, and our bathroom is... Gosh, I don't even know where it is. What is this? It's like a drain. Oh shoot, that's what it is.
It's a people that's downstairs.
Oh my gosh.
Surprise.
Wait, who's... Wait, can they hear us or is that glass?
No, that's empty. I think it's the sitting room downstairs, the one with the piano.
Nice.
Where? Every room, almost every room has this little staircase.
What the f is this?
Oh my god.
This is freaking awesome. What the f is that?
We're descending into Han's dungeon right now.
Dude, this is like a guy's dead.
After exploring the house and settling in, Han and Pauline basically did all of the prepping and cooking, and I just watched because I didn't want to burn the kitchen down.
We're just blanching the vegetable right now, and then putting shocking in ice water.
Good morning, it is currently 7 a.m. and we're running a little bit behind schedule to go to Shenandoah.
I can't find my coffee.
And he can't find his espresso shot, so I guess we're not going hiking anymore.
What? Okay.
As you can see, it is already morning, so it'd be like that sometimes. So Pauline didn't join us today because she had 3 video calls lined up on a holiday, so it was just the 4 of us against Mother Nature. But before that, we of course stopped by at a McDonald's for breakfast.
Did you hold it? Well, it's recording now. That's weird. Come on, America. Oh yeah, look at this big boy. That's the beach house.
We are at an overlook that is very windy, therefore I am in 4 layers right now.
It's really cold. Oh yeah, man. He's in shorts.
Hello, so we are currently at Shenandoah and this is our view. Take a look. We are currently on the Sugarloaf loop, which is a moderate loop, which is apparently great for beginners. So hopefully I don't trip and die on this trail. Ah.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe and click the bell. Shut up!
Ow. Hi, I'm gonna be crossing that, and if I fall, goodbye. After watching Han practically breeze through this, I was pretty sure I could manage, and for a second I thought I did. I made a mistake. Oh.
This is like 10 times easier than whatever the hell y'all were doing.
Wait.
I sorted this out already, so...
Good God.
Oh yeah, this is slow.
Look at Jerry just killing the game. So the rest of this was more of the same and me complaining about getting my butt kicked from a couple hours of walking because, let's be real, I've been walking 20 steps a day thanks to COVID. I'm guessing that's the Blue Ridge Mountains because they're blue.
2 hours later.
Hey everyone, we are 70% through the Sugarloaf Trail and I am thoroughly exhausted. How's everyone doing?
We're alive.
Yeah, I honestly am
We're
fearing
alive.
the worst here, so... We still have to get back though because it's in a loop. Oh.
Yeah, it looks further than it actually is. Because you don't forget that we've already done.
Much later.
Hello everyone, we made it out somehow. Pulse like thoughts, how are you feeling, Han?
Great. I feel revived. What happened? Oh, my water.
No. The drive back from Shenandoah was one of the best naps I ever took, so by extension, I didn't get a lot of footage until we got stopped by a whole train. And by this time, we all just wanted to get home, so we yeeted off onto another road. Later that night, while we were preparing for dinner, we ran into some issues with the rice, but everything else was absolutely amazing.
Wine for now.
Yeah, tomorrow we can drink. Then the next day we wake up all hungover.
Hello! So, it is snowing outside today, so we're just gonna be staying indoors. Jerry and Han went out to get Panda Express. Hi guys!
We almost died driving on the expressway.
Why?
Because it was icy.
Icy.
What icy? Yeah, we're playing Panda Express.
Considering our varying degrees of hungover that day, I'd say this was a pretty amazing lunch. Later in the evening, we went out to get more groceries so that Han could work his magic, i.e. salted egg fried chicken. What are we having tonight?
There's salted egg yolk chicken and vegetables, tomato with eggs
And rice.
chawanmushi.
Oh yes, we have chawanmushi.
There's chawanmushi as well.
And orange juice and champagne. Hey, you record me swearing at you. A toast to a safe return home and a toast to our master chefs over here.
Yes, Han, thank you.
There's even another person at mine.
Hi, we're spanking for my brother now.
My arm is deceased.
Han is a bit violent. Pauline's turn.
I'd rather not.
How's it going?
Going pretty badly. Ow. I feel like I'm not getting anything out.
Good morning. It is day 4, meaning that we are packing to go home, and this is how I pack. On the way back, we said goodbye to windy roads and all of the farm animals we met on the way up. It was pretty bittersweet because on one hand, this isn't something you see every day, but I think we were all just starting to miss a solid internet connection and just lounging around in our own homes.
on another one of our famous midnight drives. Do you need to rant or just stay silent? Either or, you know I'm complying. Take a left up ahead, I'm going towards the horizon.
Hi, Totoro. Alright. Bye, hi.
Drive safe, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. You can close the door now. How do you feel about the trip?
I love it. We had good food. We have a pro driver, so I don't have to worry about driving.
This is our pro driver.
Jerry.
In the streets of DC.
Take care. See you guys when I'm back. Oh, wow.
Alright.
Before heading home, we turned into a really bougie corner to get, you guessed it, gongcha. Hi Jerry, where are we now?
We are on George Washington Parkway just outside of DC.
Yep, and that is the highway. We're just chilling here. As tired as we were by the end of it, I am actually really glad this trip happened. I saw plenty of things I haven't seen much since leaving Singapore, like trains and train stations above ground level. And I think after being in quarantine for basically half a year, it's nice to remember that there's still this world out here waiting for us. So stay safe, hang in there, and let's hope for a better 2021.